Welcome to Prajasakti. This is more than a grievance portal. It is a digital public infrastructure designed to bridge the last mile gap between 800 million rural citizens and their administration. So yeah, this is our app. You can see the app loads very fast. It's because we have implemented AWS Amplify. It is good for the situational areas where the internet speed is very slow, like our villages in India. So this app will be open very fast. Let's go inside the app. Here we will be presented with a beautiful login screen. We have two options: login and register. Let's first log in with a number, and later we can see about registration. It's very simple because for the registration you have to just give your full name, mobile number. You have to select support your state. My state is Odisha, and then the district, and then you have to provide the block or village, anything like that, and like that you can register yourself. Let's log in first. We will log in with a leader OTP. The leader number is 9090291939, and we will send one OTP. The OTP will be received at the mobile phone. Yes, the number is. Now we are logged in inside the leader dashboard. So we have three layers of users. One is citizen, normal people inside village. The one is leader, who's the Gram Panchayat, and third one is the government. So this is the leader dashboard. Whenever he opens, he is directly logged into the map where all the details are shown. Like I can enable infrastructure, funds allocated to the village, how many people stay there, what are different reports submitted by citizens, and what are different projects going on inside the village. So this will show all those details. If we can click double, we can tap on each project and show the details. Then second is report. Here is the main part. Here the citizen tries to create a new report. So what he will do, he will go to suppose road, and then he will write there is no good road in our village, and suppose the severity, the urgency is critical. This location that this GPS that is showing, it is taking the current live location of the users. Okay, now I will click on submit report. A new report is created. So in the feed section, the report is now visible. This feed section contains all the report created by all the citizens inside the village. Then there are dashboards. Okay, here each projects are there. These projects are ranked by AI on based on the severity. Also here is a button called assign task force. If I click on add a project, it will be showing me all the details from the funds associated with the government, like and which scheme is under which fund. This details is visible here. I can download my proposal also. So like I can download PDF and I can see the different proposals, different schemes, and how many funds, how many people are there. I can close it. Once I close it, it is now adopted. Now I can go to projects and I see all the details. Suppose I can see solar borewell project. I can see all the details about the project, and I can view full details. It will show me the life cycle of the project, like AI recommended, adopted, in progress, and there are options to attach photo also. It can be visible to all the citizens. And if any citizen finds that this project is delayed, he or she can click on mark delayed, and it will be marked as delayed. This will be again visible to the government or the admin personality. Also users this local leader has users management. He or she can promote someone to another leader. Also one thing, in report screen or in feed screen, all the leader, the name of the leader and mobile number is visible. Okay, now let's look at another screen. I will now log into log out, and I will log in as admin. So admin is 987621, and then OTP will be sent. Here for the timing I have put, but if any person provides his or her mobile number, he will get a real OTP. I will provide the number OTP. So I have logged in as an administrator or the admin user, which is the government. He can see all the scenes like Grama Sabha. He can create a new meeting, and inside the meeting new issues can be created. Then those issues will be ran by the AI, and it will be visible in the dashboard. Same is there for the schemes. There are schemes present. This window is there to know about what are the schemes related to different villages and scheme provided by the government. This screen is visible to all the citizens, so they can know which scheme is there and how much fund is allocated. So there is another way to report a case. That's why WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp from mobile. What I can do, I can just join this video message and I just have to provide my report by voice like this. हमारे गाँव में अच्छी तालाब नहीं है, पानी की बहुत कमी है. Then I send it to it, and then it will send me a message that yes, a report is created like report number 228, and this will be visible to all citizens. We can show it inside the app also. Like if I go to the app here, and if I go to the feed sections, see here it is saying that voice note is transcribing. It takes around 30 seconds. After that, everything will be here written in English. Thank you.